Hi everyone, in this video I will show you what to do if your HP Smart Tank printer of any model is printing lines, stripes, streaks or smears on your papers or the printing quality is not as expected. Actually my printer is pretty fine, but anyway I will show you what to do if you have printing quality issues. Let's get into it right now. So I suppose you used HP Smart application to set up your printer. So either on computer or smartphone you need to open this application. Make sure your device is on Wi-Fi and connected to the same router as your printer is connected to. And then tap on your printer's image to enter settings, and what you need is find print quality tools. Tap on print quality tools. It takes you to the printer's web interface in your default web browser by this IP address. So tap on OK to enter the interface. And here is your tools. You can print diagnostic report, but what we need to do now to fix lines and stripes, for example, you need to clean print head. So tap on clean. And the process is going on. It takes for about 30 seconds, so you have just to wait and the printer will print this report automatically after this, and you need to check the print quality. And once you've got that page, take a look at these three sections. So if you have some issues in section 1 or 3, you need to align print heads in the same menu. If you see white lines or missing some colors, you need to clean print heads once again. So if the print quality is still poor, if the lines and stripes issue is not fixed, you can see that right after the first print head cleaning, this button appears here, level 2 cleaning. So let's run this cleaning. After level 2 cleaning, the printer prints the same page and you can check the print quality, also with the same recommendations, and also this interface has level 3 cleaning, and that's it. You can run level 3 cleaning, get the same page, but if the printing quality is still bad, just tap on done and try also to clean, smear and align print head. After each operation, the printer will give you the same page that you can use as guidance for your print quality. If your printer still has problems with print quality, probably you need to replace some parts inside of the printer or just clean print heads manually. But I don't recommend you to do it yourself, because actually it's not so easy to take a tank printer apart and put it back together in a proper way, so you can damage your printer forever. In this case, I just recommend you to take it to a service center. Anyway, I hope your printer is fine now and it prints like this. I hope this video was helpful, and if yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comments below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.